Hey Bumblebees, I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but we are back. Today we're going to talk about how you can make money slinging semi-trailers. Um, Basically you can create a residual income with this, and also the trailer game is very similar to the real estate game. We're also going to show you some similarities and how you can actually get started creating that residual income for you and your family. So we have the trailer game over to the left versus the real estate game. So renting trailers equals residual income. And this the same thing goes for renting homes or commercial property or any type of real estate that you rent out. That creates a residual income. And as you can see, with that residual income and you're renting something is very similar to real estate. So with the trailers, you have the trailers, which are your assets. So when you go and purchase a trailer, that becomes your asset and it makes money. Okay. With real estate, your assets are houses, commercial property, land, what have you. So your houses and commercial property is your asset, and you make your asset works for you and it creates money. So in either game, your money is working for you. So one way people get wealthy is when you have money, you make your money work for you. And your money is basically producing income for you. So let's go ahead and look at some examples. For example, let's say you get a trailer and that trailer costs you $15,000 or less. So we're just going to say 15. Normally you're going to try to get a used trailer, but let's just say it costs 15,000 or less. And let's say you get about 500 a month off of that trailer. That is what you make. If you had 10,000, I'm sorry, not 10,000. If you had 10 trailers, it would equal $5,000 a month. And that is residual income. So if you have another business, let's just say you did the trailers on the side and you're a truck driver, but you buy these trailers and you rent them out, that is additional income. You can do a lot with 5,000 a month. With the trailers, you're spending less money and you make your residual income faster. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the real estate for example. Let's say in real estate you buy one house on a low end, and let's say that house costs you anywhere from $30,000 to $40,000, and your monthly payment will be anywhere from $400 to $500 a month that you're going to make renting that out. Okay. Now, on a $30,000 to $40,000 mortgage, you may only pay maybe $150, $200 a month, give or take, but you're only going to probably make $400 to $500 a month renting it out. And so, what I want you to do, go ahead and check your area. Wherever you live, go to a website called Zillow.com. Put in your city and state and see if you can find homes for about 30 to 40,000. Call a realtor and ask that realtor, what are the homes renting for in this area? See what they say. Average is going to be around $400 to $500 a month for that. So let's just say you got a home for $100,000. And let's say you rent that home for $8,000. Well, you may pay the bank $300 or $400 a month, or even $500 a month. You may pay the bank, and then you're renting the home out for $1,000. You're making $500 extra income. But with real estate, you're actually spending more money for the home, and you're earning less in residual each month. So you're going to be spending a lot more money to get to that $400 to $500 a month. With the trailers, you're looking at 15,000 or less to make 500 a month. Now, the pros with real estate is the houses gain equity. So when the homes gain equity, you could actually take that equity out the house and you can buy more homes. So over time, with inflation and everything else, the value of that home is going to go up as you pay that balance down and so forth. You create equity into your home. Now over here at the trailers, again, 15,000 or less, you get about 500 a month. and you actually can pay your balance off faster. You know, if you take out a loan for $40,000, it's going to take you longer to pay that off, you know. And with the trailers, you don't gain equity. However, once you're finished renting it for years, I mean, let's just say you get a trailer and you rent that trailer for 10 years. After you rent it for years, then you can always sell it and have even more profit. You may only rent a trailer for 5 years. However long you rent the trailer, you make your money back, you make a little extra, and then you sell it. So, you know, basically, this is the trailer game versus the real estate game. So you may ask, how can you get started? If you're interested in getting started, with renting trailers, we have actually a great team here at Bumblebee. And the next step would be to take our training class. Now, this training class is going to actually teach you the step you need to take to start investing in trailers. Okay. Our prices vary, so if you go to our website, which is bumblebeedispatch.com, you can click on our services tab and scroll down until you find the class that you want to take, which would be what is the name of that class? It's going to say get started in trailer investing or trailer something. You will see that class and you can sign up, or you can go up under the training tab. Our training tab have several courses that we offer. Most of our courses are online courses. Now, once you go to our website and sign up, we will receive an email notification. When we receive that email notification, we're going to email you a password and you can go ahead and get started. Now, when you complete the class and you're finished all of the steps, after that training class is completed, you will need to get ready to purchase your first trailer. You will be able to buy all trailers directly from us. And then you also have a great opportunity because we can manage the trailers for you, giving you a peace of mind. So what that basically means is you don't go out here and buy a trailer unless that you can't find anyone to rent it to. Well, we have several carriers on a daily basis. We can never keep enough trailers in stock. So we can actually we can manage it for you, kind of like a property manager when it comes to real estate. Let's say you buy a home, you pay a property manager to basically rent that home out and do everything, all the paperwork and amend duties. So we do the same thing here at Bumblebee. You basically get a trailer from us, and then we basically can manage it for you. We basically charge a small management fee, and then every month you will receive funds. Your residual incomes will start coming in. So if you're interested, again, go to our website, bumblebeedispatch.com. Now, a few things before we finish or sum up this video. If you don't mind, you can go to our website to visit us. Follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/Bumblebee Dispatch. Go to Facebook. Make sure you click the like button. Also on Instagram. You can find us on Instagram at Bumblebee DISP, or it may be Dispatch, but I believe it's Bumblebee DISP. Twitter, we're at Bumblebee Dispatch. YouTube, you are watching us on YouTube. So if you don't mind, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. If you subscribe to us on YouTube, any of our latest videos that we post, you will get updates. So basically, they will email you and let us know any uploads that we post. You can also contact us via our website. You can call us. If we do not answer, just leave a message and someone will call you back. Make sure, this is very important. If you call, you don't get anyone on the phone, just leave a message and we will call you back. Or you can visit us in person at 37 Pine Grove Road, Locust Grove, 30248. We are by appointment only because we're not always in the office. So if you're in the area, you want to stop by, just give us a call. We can book you an appointment or so forth. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. And if you want to learn more about how you can get started and investing your money and getting some trailers and making a residual income for you and your family, please contact us. And I guarantee you it will change your life for the better.